Today I'll be showing you how to back up your WordPress websites to an FTP server using the Updraft plus backup and restore plugin. So first off, you log into your WordPress dashboard and you click on the navigation bar, this top right corner right here. You scroll up, you click on plugins, and then you click on the add new plugin. Now there are a lot of backup plugins you can use to take a backup for your website, but in this video we'll be using the Updraft plus. So we type in Updraft right here, Updraft. Alright, so you can see it here. In our case, it's already active on the website here. So if you've not installed it already, you are going to see the install button. So you click on the install button. Then once it's installed, you click on the activate button. So after activation, you're going to see just like this here, active. So since it's installed, we scroll down, then click on the navigation bar again right here. We scroll up this time, then we click on the Updraft plus right here. Alright, this is the Updraft plus admin page. You can scroll up to see. So first thing first, since we are backing up to an FTP server, we are going to click on this settings button right here. You can see it. Click on it. So it brings up here. We scroll up again. We can decide whether to take the backups automatically or manually. But that's not our focus in this video. Our focus right here is to back it up to an FTP server. So right here you can see the various options. You can back it up to Updraft, to Dropbox, to Amazon, to your Google Drive. But we're using the FTP options, you can see right here. So you tap on the FTP, you click on it till it turns blue. Then you are going to enter your FTP details. So for the FTP server bus, you're going to get the IP address of your host servers. You are going to type it in our case, it is a 198.251.89.2. Then for the FTP logger, as you can see, you are going to type in your FTP username, then type in your password, the FTP password I mean, not your website password in this case. Then the remote path. Now, the remote path is the folder where you want the backup to be uploaded to. You can decide to have it in the default public HTML directly. So in that case, it's going to be, you're going to enter the / sign, type in the public HTML. I guess it's the same for most hosts. Then you type in the folder you want it uploaded to. Now note that this folder must already exist in your FTP directly. That means you have to create it first before entering it here. So let's type in ours. Ours here is restore. What this means is that we've already created this folder. The public HTML directly is the default folder for every FTP, for every website. I mean, then the restore is the one we've created. Okay. So of course we check on the passive mode. Once we are done, Before we click the test settings, you can see get an overview of the folder that will be backed up right here. All right. So now let's test the FTP settings. We tap on it. So it's testing settings. Alright, it says FTP settings test results sources. That means we are good to go for the next step, which is taking our backup. So we scroll down, or scroll up, whichever. We click on the backup and restore button right here. Alright, say nothing scheduled currently. So click on the backup now. That's the green button right here. Click on the green button. Backup now. So right here we can select what we want to back up. We can decide should we like to back up the database or to back up just the files. We can choose that to back it up to remote storage. In our case, we're backing it up to remote storage. So click on the backup now button. Alright, it's backing up. Backup in progress. So we're going to wait for it to back up. Once that is done, you're going to get a success message. Then you will see the log days, just like you can see under the existing backup section. So once you're here, this is how you take backup of your WordPress website to an FTP to a remote server. So there are other plugins you can use. So many plugins. Just type in the backups in the search WordPress search box. You're going to see a whole lot, thousands and hundreds of backup plugins for you to choose from. It's very important for you to take backup for WordPress websites. You can't